Are you predicting your revenue, orders, and registrations based on your marketing mix? With so many channels to spend on, it's hard to know what's working. And not just that, there are other factors that you need to account for, like promotions, pricing, trend and seasonality, and competition. With M3 Marketing Mix Modeling, you'll now be able to calculate, analyze, and predict the results of your proposed marketing mix and how it will impact your important business KPIs, like revenues, orders, subscriptions, and GMV. How's it all done? M3's machine learning algorithms use the past performance data from both digital and offline channels and other important business variables, like discounts, complaints, etc., for predictions. You get an interactive UI to see the results of your model. You have completely customizable input variables on one side, including your marketing channels and other important variables like discounts, campaigns, as well. And on the right-hand side, you have the predicted KPIs and budget split. You can change any of the numbers in the input variable and see in real time the impact it will have on your revenues and orders. Marketing heads, VPs, and brand managers can create different marketing strategies by using this optimization interface to run infinite marketing mix iterations and find the best mix that maximizes revenues and profit. With our Insights feature, you can see if a channel has reached its maximum potential or if it requires an increase in the spends. With historical trend analysis, you can find out how spending on one channel has affected your business KPIs. With granular studies, we find out drivers of growth for your business. And not just that, how will you reach your revenue goals if you keep your marketing mix unchanged? We use the best-in-class forecasting techniques to predict important business KPIs, like revenues for a period of up to 24 months. For far too long, the marketing budgets are allocated on the basis of past performances. It's time to focus on the future. With M3 Marketing Mix Modeling, you can analyze the business impact of your marketing activities and answer questions, like how much to spend on each marketing channels? Which is the best channel to increase my revenues? Has a marketing channel reached its full potential? And when will I achieve my revenue goals? With an amalgamation of data science and industry expertise, we help you determine the drivers of success so that you can make profitable business decisions. To learn more, contact an M3 representative today.